Now let us start the topic solubility. Solubility is defined as maximum amount of solute that can dissolve in given quantity of solvent at a given temperature. What does it mean? That at maximum, how many grams of solute can dissolve in given quantity of solvent at a given temperature. Say for example, if I say solubility of common salt in water is 34 gram per liter at 25 degrees Celsius, then what is the meaning of this statement? It means that at maximum 34 gram of common salt can dissolve per liter, that is 1 liter of water at 25 degrees Celsius. We cannot dissolve more than 34 gram of common salt in 1 liter of water at 25 degrees Celsius. Of course, lesser can be possible, but more than this amount cannot be possible to dissolve in 1 liter of water. So that is the meaning of solubility. The next is, what is the effect of temperature on the solubility of solid solute in liquid solvent and why? Say for example, if I have sugar as solute and I want to dissolve sugar in cold water as well as hot water, what will be your observation? In which it will be more soluble, whether in hot water or in cold water? I know all of you will reply that the sugar, more amount of sugar can dissolve in hot water as compared to cold water. It means that solubility of solid solute in liquid increases on increasing the temperature, and the reverse is true for decreasing the temperature. That means solubility of solid in liquid decreases on decreasing the temperature. Now the question arises, why it is so? Why more amount of solute can be dissolved in same amount of solvent on increasing the temperature? See these two diagrams. First is a diagram of solution in cold solvent. Here you can observe less solute particles are dissolved in cold solvent to produce cold solution. And next is an example of hot solution. Is a diagram of hot solution where you can observe that more solute particles are present in hot solution. Reason, all of you know that matter expands on heating. So here the solvent particles are nearer to each other. Here the solvent particles are nearer to each other because it is cold solution. And in second case, solvent particles are away from each other because matter expands on heating. That means solvent particles move away from each other. That means they are creating more spaces between them. Okay, so in first case, less solute particles can fix in these spaces. They can enter in these spaces to produce solution. While in second case, more solute particles can move in spaces between solvent particles. So solubility increases on increasing the temperature. I hope it must be clear to you.